down here, this is a lower radiator hose. I've just undone that hose clamp and just turned it round a bit, and that had the effect of stopping a little kink that was happening there, and it was kind of over a little bit too close to the shift lever for my liking, so I've just done that, and that's got a nice bit of clearance now, so probably should have done that originally. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing the coolant sensor for my gauge. There's obviously coolant sensors in the dash anyway, but I'm going to put another one in so it's for my gauge cluster, and I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put it. So this is a 30mm adapter, so it goes in line here, the top hose. You just have to cut the hose and put these two 2G blue clips over it, and I'm actually thinking the best possible place will be in this straight run here. So kind of unfortunately I'm going to have to cut the Skunk 2 logo in half, but that's just what you got to do. So I'm going to put it there, and I think that should be a little bit better in terms of pulling this bend a little bit less kinked, and will be a nice spot to put it. So first I'm just going to undo the hose. I'm going to mark it up where I'm going to cut, then I'm going to cut it. I won't cut any length out of it to begin with, I'll just see how it looks, and then I cut length afterwards. Just taken off the hose, it's just two 7mm Jubilee clamp clips, and then pull that off there. Take the hose end, clamp end off, and then turn it, incube it, and then I'm going to make a cut there. You have it, the hoses in two, and I'm going to just put this 30mm adapter in between two, tighten it up. First bit done, it's all tightened up. So the first mock fit up kind of shows that I only need to take about a good couple centimetres off the end of here, so I'll do that. Well, that's probably as good as it gets. Just took a bit more off there, probably about 2-3 centimetres off there. PTFE tape, first of all, make sure it's a nice sharp end, and if you do it around like this and you screw it in, the sensor in, it won't start ripping off. Also, only go around like once or twice. Don't put loads and loads of PTFE tape in, else the thing won't thread in anyway. That's it, some PTFE tape on there. I'm just doing that up. You can see if you've got the PTFE tape the right way around, it won't all be coming off. Went twice round with it. Okay, and then a 14mm spanner, and you can just kind of nip that up a little bit. So I've topped off the radiator coolant, and I obviously need to check if this whole thing's going to leak. The only other two electrical connections I need to really make is there's an engine earth, which I need for my other sensors as well, so I need to connect that. I have this one up here, which is my water temperature white. That goes to actual signal. I believe this black one is going to the ground as well. So first step is I've made this little electrical connection up, which is a bullet. I've got the end which will go into there, and an eyelet, and I've just heat shrunk that, and that will go onto the thermostat housing there. So that just plugs into this black cable end, and then I need to make the other side bullet going to that blue wire I got in there, which goes to the green side of the gauge itself. So I'll just connect this up, and then I'll make the other cable. So this is the wire I've just soldered in there. That goes through to the green wire, as I said, to the gauge. On the other end is this little crimped connection, which goes on the white terminal here. I'll just plug that in and see what happens. Right, now start it up. It's gone from being nominally to the max to where I could predict it would be pretty low. The other thing I need to do is once it's warmed up is check that it's not leaking, so I need to do that now. So it's getting warm there and no leaks at the moment. As you can see, the temperature's rising, it's about 65, climbing. It's a cold day today though. So that's good. And there's no leaks. Have to tighten this down a bit more. There's nothing, no leaks or anything, so that's good, job done.